Milo is the most toughest living creature I've ever seen in my life, and training him is the most toughest task I've seen. So I watched many YouTube videos which did not help me, and I called a trainer who took 1500 per visit. I joined WhatsApp groups where dog owners shared their advices, but that did not help me. So me and my co-founders decided to make an app which would help dog owners train their dog. That is MoveSmart.
Before we start with the problem and solution, let us introduce our team to you. Yes, I am Vihan, co-founder of MoveSmart.
I am Arav, the CEO of the company.
My name is Suraj. I am from class 10 and I am the co-founder of this.
My name is Zainab and I am also the co-founder of MoveSmart.
In dog training, patience is everything. In India, a lot of the dog owners struggle with the training and they do not know how to lead the dog. And in India, dog training is very inconsistent for normal pet owners, and the trainers charge very high in India. Like as I've said, 1500 per visit, and here we have our company MoveSmart, which is an app which helps in dog training, and we have 3 levels of subscription. First basic level, which is 99 rupees per month, and second level, advanced level, which is 299 per month, and then K9 elite level, which is 600 per month. And we also have live telechat which helps for the dog owners if any problem occurs, so the consultation of other people and doctors help them.
Now let us understand what an e-collar actually is. An e-collar is basically a smart dog training device which consists of a receiver which is worn on the dog's neck. Unlike traditional dog socking collars, which are meant for punishments, e-collars are for gentle training and communication with your dogs. They send unharmful vibrations to your dog's neck and audible beeps so that they can understand, so that they can assist in training. And our target group is first is urban millennials and Gen Z pet owners. And the pain point is they have a lack of time, so they can't really train their dog that well from the little time they have. So why they should use this is tech-savvy users really do like these type of gadgets that are also functional. The second targeted group is outdoor enthusiasts. Their pain point is that they feel like their dog will run away from them in the open without a leash. So we fix that by introducing our e-collars so that they can give signals to the dog to not run. And also we have army soldiers, and they buy this many because they buy the e-collars because they are really helpful in the training.
So here our MoveSmart app provides us many types of services like level-based training, in which we have gamified step-by-step processes in which the dog is rewarded after each progress is made. Then we have 24/7 televet chats in which we have veterinarians to talk with them, and if they demand, then they can they chat with them and have video calls with them too. And then we have certified behaviorists, that if your dog has behavioral issues with strangers when they meet them, then we can consult behaviorists so that their dog behaviors are not specified, as there is no such platform which gives all these services together, like an app where we have level-based training, televet chats, certified behaviorists and e-collars. But there are different competitors, like we have app competitors like Doggo App, Puppers, Moves. These are global apps which give step-by-step training. And then secondly, then we have televet chat competitors, in which we have Conquer, Supertail, Wigglers. These are popular Indian platforms where we can have 24/7 televet chats, and Then there are e-collar competitors, Garmin Alpha Series, Doctor, Dog Educator, but these competitors' pricing are very high. That will be followed by them.
Yeah, so our e-collars would be just of rupees 2,250 rupees. It will include buzzers, vibrators, and GPS trackers and a collar for the dog, which costs 1,500 per unit, and we will have a gross profit of rupees 740 rupees. We are different as Garmin Alpha series. They provide e-collar, but it starts from $1,050 and it retails in India via importers at approx 23,000 or more than 41,000, and following by Dr. And Dr. They basically start from $190 to $220, and retailing in India it costs up to 16 to 19,000 rupees, and we have a number of services. As traditional e-collars, they are made for scaring the dogs, like they have electrical shocks, but our e-collar is built with empathy, and in place of electric shocks, we introduce gentle vibrations and beep sounds so that we can assist our dogs easily. And the competitors, they force the pet owners to jump into expensive physical clinics for health and medical care, and but we are providing all these things in a particular app.
We have done some research, and all the components for the e-collars that we researched for are actually pretty cheap, like in India. So our total is only coming up to around 1,500. So we decided to sell that like about double or 500 rupees.
Actually, what those guys are doing, that the collar are very built with very high quality material, which is very expensive. But that is of no need, because we don't need so much quality. Because the most quality we need is the main software we have here. Go for retail price. So we would need around 11,000 to 20,000.
So basically, first we will start on Instagram, add a post so that we can gain trust of the customers and we can get more popular so that people can buy from us. Then we will go to like local dog parks and ask the people there for like free trials, etc. And then once we get more popularity and trust, we will start producing even more, and we might even go global depending on our situation.
My question is that why would the consumer buy the training app when so many training materials is available on YouTube? So how is your material different? And can you please involve the audience as well? So please come here and then answer.
And like what makes us different is like on YouTube, it is very hard to like understand what the trainer is actually trying to say, and if we encounter a problem, we can comment on it, but it will take some time for the channel to respond, which isn't convenient. But our app has 24/7 behaviorist and vet counseling, and even the plans are very interactive.
And sometimes what happens, the behavior of the dog or the breed of the dog differs, because of which the training becomes complicated, which we have in a form on the basis of which we would provide the video modules of the training. Within the app? Yes, within the app or in the app subscription.
Not explain very briefly on the training, how do you train and what treats you could provide which is not harmful, and we solve that problem through live tele chats and consultation.
Got it. Any other questions?
Yes, ma'am. On YouTube, there are some videos which are paid or are on the basis of membership, which is also very expensive and cannot be afforded by at most pet owners in India. And if there are free videos, they are not that very effective. So we have built this app to and as it is cheap and we will have step-by-step guides to train our dog.
Got it. Can we have a huge round of applause for them? And can we have